Fraction tiles are great, but there's going to come a point where our kids are ready to move on from them. When they're ready, the next step is to have the kids draw out the fraction tiles. At this point, I think they're called fraction strips. To show 2.5, I shade in 2 whole rectangles, and then I take my third rectangle, I split it in 2, I shade 1 out of the 2 pieces. For 1 2/3, I draw my 2 rectangles, shade in a whole one. I do my best to split that second rectangle into thirds. Nobody's breaking out a ruler here. Shade in 2 of them. We can still get that visual that our pieces are not the same size. So before we add these together, we have to find common denominators. Our least common multiple is 6. So my rectangle was split into 2 pieces, but I want it to be 6 pieces. So each piece gets split into thirds. Over with our numbers, our denominator was 2, but we want it to be 6, so we multiply by 3, which means we take our numerator, we also multiply it by 3 to show we have 3 shaded pieces. And we rewrite the whole number, so that's 2 and 3 over 6. Now this rectangle was in 3 pieces, but we need 6, so we'll chop each of those pieces in half. Our denominator was 3, so we multiply it times 2. Our numerator also gets multiplied by 2 to show we have 4 shaded pieces, and we rewrite it as 1 and 4 over 6. Now we have common denominators and we can add. We have 3 shaded pieces plus 4 shaded pieces gives us 7 shaded pieces out of 6. You can see if we take 3 of these purple pieces, we could fit them up into this other rectangle. We would have that entire rectangle with 1 piece left over. So 7 over 6 is equivalent to 1 and 1/6. Now we think about our whole numbers. 2 plus 1 is 3. Now we add our whole numbers. 3 plus 1 is 4, and we still have our 1/6, so we found our answer, 4 and 1/6. Please like this video if you found it helpful.